Hey, how's it going, guys? In this Python tutorial, I'll share a Python script to help you to organize your file into different folders based on the file extension. Alright, so this is a script I use whenever I want to organize my files for a specific folder. For example, here in my icons folder, I have a list of files. And some of the files are PNG file and some of the files are ICO file, which are icon files. I also have a SVG file, and I think that's it. And I want to write a Python script to put different files based on the extension type into their own specific folder. And to do that here in my Python script, I'm going to import the OS module. Then I'm going to import the studio library. And increase the font size. Alright, so first I'm going to create a variable to point to the target folder. And this is going to be the folder path where all the files are located. And it's going to be under the icons folder. Then I want to get the unique list of file types by iterating each file. Here I'll create a dictionary called extensions. And I'm going to insert one line list comprehension. And the output is going to be a dictionary. Here I'm going to insert my loop. I'm going to say for item in OS the list dir. And I'm going to supply the target folder path. And I want to insert if condition to check if the item is a file using the os.path.isFile function. Giving the, here let me maximize the window. Giving the os.path.join function, and I want to join the target folder and the file name together. So if this statement or if this function returns true, then I know it's a file, not a folder. Then I want to grab just the extension type. I'm going to type item.split, and I want to split the string by the pair symbol. And to extract the extension, I'll reference the last item. And let's do a double check. Alright, so for my icon folder, I actually have 6 different file types: SVG, PNG, ICO, PSD for Photoshop, and WebP file. And once we have the unique list of extensions, we can iterate each extension type. So I'm going to say for extension in extensions. And this loop is going to create each folder for each extension type. So here let me insert nodes. Create folders for each extension type. But first of all, I want to check if a folder for a particular extension already exists. Then I want to ignore the folder creation. So here I'm going to say that if not, os.path.exists. I'm going to supply the target folder plus the extension type. And me delete that statement at the end. If this condition is true, then I want to create the folder. The second step is to move all the files into their designated folder. So it's going to be move files. Now for this one, it's going to be for item in os.listdir. I'm going to supply the target folder path. And I only want to move the files, not the folders. So I'm going to say that if os.path.isFile, if this condition is true, then I want to move the file using the studio library. But first I need to grab the file extension. And let's name the output as file extension. Then I can reference the studio library.move. And I'll provide the file path of the original file location. And I want to move to the target folder, plus the file extension type, followed by the file name. And that's everything we need to write for this script. Now I'm going to run the script. And here I have a typo somewhere. Oh, this should be mkdir. Let me try again. Alright, so it looks like the script is finished in 0.3 seconds. Now if I look at my icons folder, and here I have 6 different folders created for each extension type. Now if I go into my ICO folder, and I should expect that all the files in this folder are ICO extension type. And similar way, if I go into the PNG folder, all the files inside this PNG folder should be under the PNG file extension type. Alright, so this is going to be everything I'm going to share in this video, and hopefully you guys found this video useful. And as always, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.